Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show the easiest and fastest way in which you can trade cards in Monopoly Go. Now, trading cards in Monopoly Go is common practice amongst players. This is because players often stack numerous cards, along which many become copies, so players often trade these cards with their friends. So one thing to mention before we jump into this, in Monopoly Go you can only send cards to your friends who have accepted your friend request. So make sure you have all your friends added that you want to trade with so that we can easily trade these cards with them. So to start with, you first want to launch the game and you want to be on this page like I'm on here. And then at the bottom we can find a few options and one of them is called Album. Now I'm not level 15 yet so I can't click on it. However, after you click on that you will find the stickers that you own in the game. Among all those, find the ones that have duplicates in your collection. A +1 or the corresponding number will indicate how many of that card you actually own. So choose the sticker you want by tapping on it. After you click on that, you will see a select a friend option with a list of existing friends to whom you can send the sticker to. So you just want to go through your friends list and look for the right friend that you want to trade that sticker with. So you want to choose the friend that you want to send a sticker to by just tapping on their username and then click the send button. That is all you need to do to be able to trade cards with your Monopoly Go friends. However, I should note that users can only trade up to 5 cards daily. Therefore, use your trading limit wisely. So I hope this video helped you out and I hope you successfully managed to trade your cards in Monopoly Go. If it did help you out, please comment down below to say that it helped you and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.